we retested again, but I believe this market can move a little bit lower to offer a new long opportunity. All right, so I will start now a review of this video, a summary right now, and we started with a review of silver. We didn't speak about the SP 500, but the SP 500 is correcting after printing higher highs. I will not touch on that, but we touched on the dollar index, and in the last few weeks we have actually looked at sorry, I'm opening too many things here. We have actually looked at this 94.35 and that has actually confirmed now, so we could see this price being pushed onto the next area short on the daily, the 96.18. We then quickly looked at silver. We celebrated our second target being hit here, and soon after that target has been hit. That was our 1750. You will remember that for silver we had two targets, 1660 and 1750, and both of them have been have traded. Now the next extension long around 1688 has also traded. If this level will hold, it's going to push price even higher. Okay, so if you are building your position in this market, as I'm not doing, one little position added here could be important, because this market could not just move, might not just move below 1667, which is our level. It has to be broken to bring this price lower. So if that happens, I think we're going to have a better gift here from the market. 1570 is going to be our long to add a little bit on this trade, silver. We then reviewed quickly the euro dollar. We mentioned there are two levels we want to watch, 111.43, the other is 110.03. We explained the reason why this market can't get there, because the dollar index is reacting higher. In fact, as the dollar index reacts higher and hits that 96.20, this market can actually hit the 111.43, but even more the 110.03. We then spoke about the Swiss, US dollar Swiss franc. We mentioned again that this market to move lower, where we believe this market should be moving, as this market is still moving laterally here between the 90 to 93 area up to the 1 to 103 area here. It needs to move higher to meet that 99.13. And we show that there is a clear sequence of measured move longs here, and the next level to be tested is the 197.21. If the market gets there today, tomorrow, I mean this is Tuesday already, and there is participation in this area, that could be a nice stub from 97.21 into 98.31, which is, just 100 pips, although this market could continue higher. It has previous highs here, but even 100 pips would be a sizable trade. If you manage risk properly here, this can become 5 to 10 unit of risk in gain. So that's an idea that you can keep in mind there. And then we reviewed the pound versus Japanese yen. We mentioned that this market weekly longs are now in control. And if this market comes back, a level that you're going to watch is 158.80 for a continuation long. And in the end, we closed with the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and we mentioned how I didn't analyze the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame is showing a potential continuation long into 117 and eventually 119. So this is not the time to get involved into a swing trade to those levels, because this market is now correcting on the 4-hour and could correct as low as the 111.89 here. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the review here. I gave some explanation and some level in advance that you should be watching, because I believe that these levels can offer a very good opportunity for long trades here this week. The Australian New Zealand dollar is definitely in a move lower here, but it's not going to be extreme in my opinion. And I also want to remind for all of you who want to get involved that I'm about to start a new session. This is my fourth session of Fib Stalker Methods Coaching Program. This is not a course, but it's a complete program in which I take you by hand and illustrate in detail all these models that I apply on all the time frames. That's the mechanic of trading. But it doesn't end there. I also show you how to put all this information together to create your own trading system, and I offer 7 trading systems as well. So this is a complete approach for successful trading, if that's what you want to do. And if you're interested, I still have a couple of spots free. I usually take 15 students in each session. If you're interested, just let me know. Drop me an email at fibstalker@gmail.com or go to fibstalkertrading.com and you can find information there as well. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the review. I want to thank K7, Paglib, Lobets, Sinatra, Roland, Alien. Hope you find this interesting. BW, Arinda, Lee, JM, Dion, Desi, Arvin, Matthew, Craig, FX Ambassador. I want to take the opportunity to thank Daisy, who's always available, and with her constant support, it allows us to make this to make this show not only real and possible every day, but also something that can help you try to identify that next opportunity that could bring those 5 to 10 reward to risk units into your account. So thanks a lot for being here. If you like the show, please tweet about it. And if you want to invite your buddies, and if you find that there is something new or useful in this show, please invite your trading buddies, and we can review more markets together. Thanks a lot, and have a great one. Bye bye now.